Hello, welcome to this very first edition of an unboxing that I'm presenting. And it is going to be the December 2016 box of Dread. So, let's see. And it's a different package than it usually comes in. I've been pretty skeptical on box of Dread because the last few months I like the pins. But reaction figure, I'm bored with it. So let's go ahead and tap into this and see what we got. Since I'm new to this, I don't know how to post links or anything like that below. So just Google it, Box of Dread, if you're interested. Okay. Get the paper out. Okay, more paper. Yeah, it's definitely a different type of box of Dread than I usually get. So let's see. We got a print, or two or three. Let's see here. Oh, and this month was Friday the 13th, Jason Voorhees. Yeah, don't know what that means. So our first print, we got Beyond the Gates. Never heard of it. Press play and pray. It's caught my attention. Seems cool. Alright, cool. What is the next one? Next one is Dead Rising Endgame. Now, Stream on Crackle. I have seen these. They're fun. I appreciate them. For, you know, being exclusive to Crackle and all that stuff. So a couple fun prints there right off the bat. Okay, we got a little box thing in here. Jason Voorhees pop keychain. I know one person is going to watch this video and laugh about it. So I get to add another one to my bowling bag. Yay! Cool stuff. Hi, Gizmo. My dog is. Anyway, that's cool. I like it. I dig it. Okay. Next thing we got is another box package. And it's a Orbs Jason Voorhees. So two Jason little figure type things. They call it Dorbs because they're like adorable, adorbsable. I don't know. But I dig these things. They're cool. I appreciate them. Okay. Let's see, it feels like we got a cool art print. Very cool, very nice. Of, yet again, Jason Voorhees. So I was right on the theme, obviously. Jason, Merry Christmas, Jason. But that's cool. I dig it. Let's see. And that is it for Box of Dread. So probably my best one that I've gotten since I started Box of Dread. And I'm still on the fence with them. My favorite thing is probably just this little keychain for personal reasons. I like them dangling on my bowling bag. The Orbs is cool. The prints, cool. So, for 20 bucks a month, can't really complain, but if it's not your thing, it's not your thing. So there you have it, and we'll see you next time.